Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to restore Rocket.net website from backup. So here's a simple workaround for that. So to do that, go to Rocket.net and sign in into your account using your account credentials. Then from there, you have to open your website dashboard. So from the main dashboard, click on the website you want to restore. So go to backup, then in the site menu, click the backup tab. This section shows all your available details and manual backup. So choose a backup date. So find the date and time of the backup you want to restore from. Then each backup is labeled with its creation date. So next thing to do is to click restore. So next to your chosen backup, click the restore button to start the recovery process. Then after that, Rocket.net will ask you to confirm, so click yes or confirm restore. So the platform will then begin restoring your website. So the process may take a few minutes. So once done, you will get a success message and your site will be restored to the exact backup state. And that's how you can easily restore Rocket website from backup. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.